Hello to all my dear students. In this video, you are going to learn the capital account of a partner. In partnership, there is a capital account prepared for each partner. In capital account, the capital invested by the partner is shown on the credit side of this account. The capital account of a partner can be made by two methods. First method is fixed capital, another one is the fluctuating capital. Suppose in fixed capital, if the partner contributes its capital, it's remain constant, then we will prepare the fixed capital account. And the salary to partner, drawings to partner, profit and loss account, interest on drawing is shown newly open account called current account. Next is fluctuating account. In fluctuating account, there is only one account is prepared, which is called partners capital account, and capital contributed by the partners is shown on the credit side of this account, and interest on capital, interest on drawing, salary to partner, profit and loss shown on this same account. So the main difference between the fixed capital and the fluctuating capital is, if the partner contributes fixed capital, this remain constant for till time without any further circumstances. The capital did not change. Then it will shown on the fixed capital account. There is fixed capital account, the two account is prepared. First account is called partners capital account. In this account, the capital of the partner is shown. Next, in the newly opened account called current account, then it will shown on the this account. Before profit, the profit comes. This profit comes in this capital account. If the capital is fixed, the profit will goes to current account. If the capital is fluctuating, the profit goes to the partners capital account. So this is the difference between the capital account and a current account. If capital is fixed, then two account is prepared. First is partners capital account. In this account, the capital of the partner is shown on the credit side. If partner contributes or withdraw, all this capital transaction is taken in the partners capital account, and the newly open account called, which is current account. In the current account, the salaries of the partners, the drawings of the partners, interest, profit and loss, all this shows on the partners current account. If the capital is fluctuating, in the profit and loss appropriation account, the profit goes to the directly to the current account, not capital account, not in the current account. In the fluctuating account is prepared. One is the all the capital of the firm, and all the other further transaction is taken in the partners. The main differences between the fixed capital and the fluctuating capital is the, if the capital did not change in further time, then it is called a fixed capital, and the capital is changed time to time or period by period, then it is called the fluctuating capital. The main difference between the fixed and the fluctuating capital is fixed capital account. You can see on this pro forma to know what is the difference between the fixed and fluctuating capital. First of all, we show the fixed capital account. In a fixed capital account, there is two account prepared. First is the capital account, another one is the current account. First is the capital account. In capital account, there is two side. One is debit, another one is the credit side. You can prepare different capital account by the partner, or you can make one account in for all the partners. Number one, the balance brought down. In the credit side, the term is given by balance brought down, opening balance. The balance brought down means the capital contributed by the partner in a business. Number second is by cash slash bank account, additional capital. When the partner contribute additional capital, then it goes on the credit side, comes in debit side to cash slash bank account, permanent withdrawal of the capital. It's mean when partner withdraw from the business is known as this comes to debit side of the. And next is to balance carried down, the closing balance, what partners drawings, what partners contribute, then the balance outcome is known as the balance carried down. This is what is by balance CD. This is the closing balance. Next account is prepared is current account. In current account comes to credit side by balance brought down in case of the credit balance opening balance. In case of a credit opening balance, this means what balance is comes on the capital account is brought to this current account. And by interest on capital, by salary, by commission, and by profit and loss appropriation account. This means what profits comes in the profit and loss appropriation account, this profits comes to this account, current account known as. Next on the debit side, by to balance brought down in a case of a debit balance, when it's come credit balance or a debit balance. Note, not both balances come in this case. Next is the drawing. Next to interest on drawing, to profit and loss appropriation in a case of a loss in a profit and loss appropriation account. And last to balance carried down. It balance should be debit or should be credit. Next is fluctuating capital. When a capital changes time to time is known as the fluctuating capital. Next you can see in this pro forma of a capital account. It's same as a current account, same as a fixed account. Fixed capital is shown in this account, but we prepare only one account called is capital account. So the pro forma of the capital account is debit side and a credit side. In credit side by balance brought down, opening balance of the partner means capital contributed in the business by the partner. Next by cash account, bank account, capital, additional capital, by interest on capital, by salary, by commission, and by profit and loss appropriation. If the profits comes on the profit and loss appropriation account, then this balance is there the credit side. Next is the by drawings to interest on drawings to profit and loss if the loss comes to in the business. Next by balance CD if the balance comes in debit side or a credit side. Between the fixed capital and a fluctuating capital. So some differences given in this table you can see. The first difference given on the fixed capital account is when the capital are fixed, the balance in a capital account usually remain unchanged during the lifetime of the business except when the capital is introduced or withdrawn permanently. In fluctuating capital, when the capital are fluctuating, the balance in the capital account go on changing from time to time. Next, number of accounts. When the capital are fixed, each partner has two accounts, namely capital account and a current account. In fluctuating, when the capital are fluctuating, each partner has only one account, namely called capital account. Next, when the capital are fixed, transactions relating to the drawings, interest on capital, interest on drawings, salaries, shares of profit and loss are made in a capital account but are entered in separate current account. But in a fluctuating capital, in this case all the transactions relating to two partners are made directly in the account account itself. Next, fixed capital account can never show a negative balance, but fluctuating capital shown can be a negative balance. So in this video you learn the capital account of a partner. There is two capital account, fixed and a fluctuating, and you know the differences and the pro forma. In next video I am trying to solve the questions relating to this topic. Thank you.